It's the free.
Oh,
It's
thank
the free.
you.
Hello, Kuya Victor, balik ba yung box?
Ano yan? May-
Okay. Put the label.
Grabe, ikaw lang mag-isa maghakot niyan. Wala kang kasama.
Hindi na kailangan.
Oh my God.
Kailangan yan.
Ang sipag ni Kuya.
Kuya Victor, balik ba yan?
Kailangan siya i-advertise.
Facebook is paying me whenever I post something and also when she put it in.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'm telling you. Facial pick-up in Sardinia, Ohio.
Yep.
Kuya Victor Balikbayan Box powered by Aling Cargo Express.
So, okay yung box ko. Safe yan.
Oo, naku, baka malupi yan.
Kaya, paano ba ito?
They will put strap. They will put strap. And then this is this Mindanao or
Mindanao.
Bisaya? Mindanao.
Mindanao po.
We have a color coding for Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Mindanao is where's my yeah. Mindanao is white tape. When they see the white tape, you say, "Oh, that's slot number 3. That's Mindanao." See, Mindanao.
Okay,
So
good.
they will not read anymore the address. Only they will look on the tape when they deliver. Because they will have to take pictures, proof of delivery.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I have free box, baby.
Yeah. Now you can use it again.